One of the key features of the new Polo is the park assist. To activate park assist, you would have your vehicle in gear, put on the park assist with a park button, move forwards and indicate where you would like to move to. Drive past the opening. The car will detect either if it's an alley dock or a parallel parking. It'll also show you when to reverse on the screen. Once the parking has been detected, put the vehicle in reverse and let the vehicle do the steering. You would still be doing the brake and the petrol pedal. If you feel you do come too close, you can put the car in first gear, move forwards, the vehicle will correct itself, put it back in reverse and back up into your parking space.